Have you ever seen a math question that looks impossible at first glance, but hides a beautiful secret inside it? Today's challenge says 3 raised to the power of x equals 125, and 5 raised to the power of y equals 81. And then it asks the big question: what is x multiplied by y? At first it feels confusing. The bases are different. The numbers do not look related. Your brain might immediately think this is going to be hard. But wait, slow down and look closer. 125 is not just a random number. It is 5 multiplied by itself 3 times, which means 5 raised to the power of 3. And 81 is 3 multiplied by itself 4 times, which means 3 raised to the power of 4. Now watch this carefully. The first equation tells us 3 raised to the power of x equals 5 raised to the power of 3. The second equation tells us 5 raised to the power of y equals 3 raised to the power of 4. Now multiply both equations together. On one side, you have 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 5 raised to the power of y. On the other side, you have 5 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 4. Rearrange the right side, and you get 3 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 3. Now, compare both sides carefully. 3 raised to the power of x times 5 raised to the power of y equals 3 raised to the power of 4 times 5 raised to the power of 3. For both sides to be equal, the powers must match. That means x must be 4 and y must be 3. So what is x multiplied by y? 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Just like that, something that looked complicated becomes beautifully simple. If you are enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and like this video. Subscribe and like so you do not miss more smart math tricks like this. Stay curious, stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one.